Okay. Now, the story that I about to tell.
You heard that story before?
Yes, it's about the monkey on a mango tree. Okay. In the far, far place, there is two islands. Okay.
Oh.
One big island where are the villagers are living, and in the next island not far away, like 100 or 50 meters, there is a small island with one mango tree. Okay, on that mango tree there's a lot of mango fruit. Then there
I'm gonna
is
eat all the mango.
one monkey. Okay. In that small island, there is one mango tree and
What's
one
the
monkey.
name of the monkey?
Huh?
What's the name of the monkey? Monkey?
Gregorio.
Did you see, Mom?
Yeah, just now.
How about the mango?
What's the name of
Munkuno.
Huh?
The name is banana.
Bananas, monkey.
Banana-ni.
Banana.
Okay.
But wait, I
So
know.
what will be the name of the
I
monkey?
know.
Name the monkey.
Leo.
No, do you remember with the yellow head
What?
Leo.
with one eye? Do you remember?
Minion.
Yeah.
Oh, let's name a minion. Yeah.
Okay, the name of the monkey is Minion.
I was about to name him Leo, but minion is a nice.
Okay. In that village, there are four guys that are very, very hungry.
Baby,
Then while walking
don't
beside
eat my
the
stuffy.
while they are
You
walking,
forgot the minions?
you listen, Kita. You want to now while they are walking beside the beach, they feel so hungry. Okay?
Like me.
Yes. The name of those guys, Jose, Pedro,
Leo.
Jose, Pedro, Juan, and Tonyo. Okay?
Tonyo.
Now they saw the monkey. They can see the monkey.
And they wanted to
Then
eat the
they
monkey.
A big mango tree full of fruits, mango fruits.
And then they just shake the tree and then they
So-
just eat the mango.
But in that island, you cannot, before you will reach that island, there you cannot use the boat, you cannot swim because there's a
Crocodile.
shark on there, in the
Crocodile.
shark because that's the island. You cannot use boat, you cannot swim because there's a shark around that island.
But how about we just use a boat?
No, because imagine the shark eats up the boat.
What happens
So-
if it flips over?
Now
Uh-oh. Then you're oof.
this Jose,
You're done.
Pedro, Juan, and Tonyo, they think an idea. They're thinking an idea how they will get mango from that small island with the monkey. Okay. Now it is Tonyo's turn. Oh, Pedro. Okay, I will ask Atara. Okay, Atara, what do you think Pedro will do to get the mango from the other island that has a monkey on
He
it?
will jump on the shark
You
and then
cannot
he'll jump on the island.
So Pedro,
Oh yeah, that was
So now-
that was I was thinking.
so now Pedro he jumped, but Pedro he got eaten by the shark because he cannot reach. It's like 50 meters away.
What? What?
Okay. Now there's another guy, Jose. Yeah, Jose, right?
Mhm.
Jose.
And
Then
the Juan
ate,
na.
what do you think Jose will do? If you're Jose, what you will do?
I'll get eaten by the shark. I'm just gonna go in the water and then I'm gonna
If
get
you're Jose,
eaten.
what you will do?
I'm gonna climb that tree
Wait!
and then I'm gonna swim.
Okay, let me see Ate mag-decide.
You will put the chunk inside the water, then you'll sail away.
No, Jose died because you cannot do that. There's a shark.
Then
Now
what
there
did
is
Jose
two
do?
guys remaining.
What did Jose do
There is
then?
two guys remaining. Tonyo and Juan. Now I will give the turn to Atara. Atara, what do you think Tonyo will do?
So
Hmm.
he will climb up a tree, swing him around, and then
You
he'll
see me, but you ran
Swing around going to?
to the island.
the island, and then it's gonna shake all of the mangoes up,
No.
and then nom 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 nom.
Tonyo died
Now who won?
because Tonyo, when as you said, Tonyo will swing but he cannot able to reach on the other
Okay,
island.
so
Now there is one left. Juan.
yeah.
Juan is very very smart.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
you're
I will
very-
give you. No, the one. I will give you what one do. Okay. What do you think one will do, Ate?
So jump on the monkey, then the monkey.
How you will do? You cannot reach jump
Okay.
15 minutes.
Okay. Let me.
Oh, you Atara. I'll give you one more chance.
I
What do you think
didn't
one will
guess
do?
anything.
What do you think?
He will build a bridge.
Not there. No.
Mm.
He will distract the shark, and then he will swim to the island.
No, because there's
What
a
do
lot
you
of
feed the
sharks.
shark?
Okay. You know what one will do?
What?
I will tell you. One, what he did, he find some stone, like this big stone. Then, stone, you cannot eat the stone.
It
Then
doesn't matter.
what one did, he see the monkey, he saw the monkey, then he throw the stone to the monkey.
After that?
Then the monkey got angry.
Yeah.
Then monkey was looking for the stone, but he
You
cannot
mean
find
minion?
stone.
You mean minion?
Yeah, minion. The name of the. He was looking for the stone, but he cannot find stone. What do you think he will do? There's no stone.
He'll
How he
throw
can
the-
respond to one?
He will call him.
No. What he will grab? If there's no stone.
The mango.
Yes, correct. Then he will throw the mango to
Who won?
one. Now one have the mango, right? Then another one. One will find another stone. Then he throw to the monkey. Then the monkey cannot find another stone. Then he will grab another mango and he throw to one.
That you know that minion has 0 IQ.
So one is so full. He eat a lot of mango.
He will turn like a mango.
No, wait, I know. If he's very full from the mangoes, he will just go in the water. He will float to the island.
And then the shark will cut it, and then he will fly to the sky.
So one is the very smart one.
So,
Right?
so then what he will how he will cross the other island?
Who? You don't need to cross the island because once he throws stone to the monkey throw
Oh yeah,
back the mango.
he's not hungry anymore.
Okay, so that's the story about the mango on a
3.
Good night, guys.
Ah!
Good night, guys. So, sino good night ka?
Good night, guys.